Hi friends, now we are going to see about the introduction of data structure. What is data structure? Data structure is introduction. Data structure is nothing but the storage space of the our in our computer. Data structure is representation of logical relationship that exists between the elements of the data. In other way, data structure also can be said as organizing of all data items that considers not only to store but also give the relationship between each other. For the introduction, the data structure can be said as it is the design of both structural and functional aspects of program. What is a program? Program is nothing but algorithm plus data structure. You know, algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a particular function. What is mean by set of algorithm? Algorithm is nothing but a set of instructions written to carry out some certain task. Structures in the way of organizing the data with the logical relationship written. To develop the program of an algorithm, we should select the appropriate data structure for that algorithm. So, the algorithm is associated with the data structure for a program. What is the classification of data structure? That is primitive and non-primitive. The data structure can be divided into primitive and non-primitive. The classification of data structure is primitive and non-primitive. In primitive, we are having as integer, float, character and pointers. In non-primitive, we are having as linear list and non-linear list. In linear list, we are again divided into array, linked list, stack, queue. And non-linear list, we are dividing as graph or tree. What is in primitive data structure? There are basic structures and directly operated upon the machine instructions. They are different representations on different computers. The primitive data structures are different in different computers. Some of the categories are integers, float, characters, etc. Non-primitive, there are some sophisticated data structures. These are derived from the primitive data structures. The non-primitive data structures emphasize on structuring of a group of homogeneous or heterogeneous data items. It can be divided as list, stack, queue, tree, graph. These are some of the non-primitive data structures. To design an effective data structure, we must take operation to perform on the data structures. Non-primitive data structures, the most commonly used operations on data structures are create, selections, updating, searching, sorting, merging and deletion. The difference between the primitive and non-primitive is they are basically inbuilt languages. These are built out the primitive data structures linked together to such as linked list, binary search, etc. Thank you for seeing this video.